This is Scotty Reed with a Black Talk Radio News Report. The Global Commission on Drug Policy has just released what is called a groundbreaking report that denounces the U.S. government's global drug war, which forces other countries through international treaties to criminalize drug use. The report calls for the responsible legal regulation of drugs. The report, which is endorsed by former world leaders like former United Nations Commissioner Kofi Annan and the former presidents of Brazil, Chile, Colombia, Mexico, Poland, Portugal, and Switzerland. The report will be presented at a press conference in New York City this week. The commission is the most distinguished group of high-level leaders to ever call for such far-reaching changes to global drug policies, which has caused the incarceration of billions, led to widespread violence related to drug cartels, corruption in policing, and has also led to the billion-dollar annual profits for private prison profiteers, also known as modern-day enslavers. The only reason drugs of any kind was criminalized was to target non-white people who used them while ignoring the use of the majority white population or just making enough arrests to appear not to be racist. When Ronald Reagan privatized prisons, he opened the door for Wall Street to once again profit off slavery per the instructions of the 13th Amendment of the U.S. Constitution. The 13th Amendment never actually abolished slavery in the United States, but legalized and constitutionalized it as punishment for so-called crimes legislated by racist and liberty-hating politicians in Congress. Abraham Lincoln, who signed the 13th Amendment into law, said, "You can fool all the people some of the time and some of the people all the time, but you cannot fool all the people all the time." Lincoln was right, as he and Congress fooled the world into believing that the 13th Amendment abolished slavery in 1865. But the lie is being exposed as more people discover that the United States did not abolish slavery in 1865, but simply transformed the evil institution and began the criminalization of black people. This is Scotty Reed, Black Talk Radio News.